How to set IP address to automatic, manual, or BootP on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the information icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Configure IP. In here, you can choose automatic, which is the default setting. Then you can choose manual. If you select manual, you have to manually enter in the IP address. Sometimes this can be useful if your iPhone have a conflicting IP address. Or you can choose BootP. Now BootP stands for Bootstrap Protocol. So on iPhone, if you configure the settings to BootP, it means your iPhone will ask a network server for an IP address and network settings automatically instead of you typing them in manually. Now think of BootP as an older cousin of DHCP. DHCP is a newer version of BootP, or you can think of DHCP as BootP 2.0. And that's it. So select one of the available options and then click on the Save button. After that, tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.